Hello, welcome to Paybooks. In this video, we shall see how to release login credentials for all employees, resetting passwords for those whom credentials are already created, activate or deactivate ESS for the employees. Before releasing login credentials, we should ensure email setup is done. We need to update the email ID from which the employees need to receive the mail. Please click on Setting button on the top right. Under Configure Rules, click on Email Setup. After that, click on Customize Email Configuration tab. Then the page will open you to fill the all necessary details. Enter the email ID followed by the password for the same, and then your outgoing server and SMTP port details to be entered. If not available, please check with your IT team. HR support or payroll support can be updated under display name. Enable this requires SSL encryption option. After clicking on Send Test Mail, you will get a confirmation mail sent successfully. After which you can save and close. You can also retain default email settings if customized email is not required. Now you are ready to release the login credentials for all your employees. Once again on your home page, click on Employees followed by More. Click on Create Logins under Access Management. This page opens up list of employees for whom login credentials are need to be generated. Please note that once the login credentials of any employee are generated, then his name would not be available in this list. Tick the checkbox to the left of the employee's name for whom the login credentials are need to be created and click on Create. If you need to release them to all, please click on checkbox at the top of that column, then click on Create. Once done, the login credential would send to the selected employees to their registered email IDs. If any employee names are not visible in this list, then it could mean either of the two. His or her login credentials are already created, or the enable ESS is not ticked in the respective masters. Now, to reset the password for those whom login credentials are already created, from home page, click on Employees, More, then Reset Passwords under App Management. Select the employee name or code and click on Send. The updated password would be mailed to the particular employee's email IDs. Now we come to the final part of activating or deactivating ESS for the employees. From home page, click on Employees, More, and then click on Activate Users under Access Management. Next, update the name or code of the employee and either activate the employee or deactivate the employee. If you want to activate the employee, select employee and click on Activate, and if you want to deactivate the employee, select it and click on Deactivate. Please note, if active, the employees would be able to access their details in the application from their respective ESS credentials. If inactive, the employees will not able to access their details from the application, even though the details would be available from the admin end. This concludes our demonstration, and our thanks for watching this video.